Hey guys, today we have another great product review. It's a blender.
It's a blender made by HadinEEon. I know I'm going to say that name wrong. HadinEEon looks like HadinEEon model GS651. Now it has adjustable speed, overheat protection, quick blending, and you can use jars of portable travel bottle. It even has a safety lock. Let's take a look at this baby. Open it up, Anna.
Let me get this out. Oh.
Looks like some type of gasket you pulled out. Nice and easy. Felt nice and solid. Had some weight to it.
How do I get this out?
There, I get that. Pull that out.
Look.
That's the jar, and it can also be used as a cup. Oh, it's two. Okay. And this part that you handed to me is the base. Now be very careful. It has some sharp blades.
Where?
On this part.
Oh, good thing I didn't. Scary.
Alright, I like that color. That's a cool color.
Go
ahead and put it together.
Which one do you want to use? The little one?
Oh, there's two different sizes. So we get two different size jars.
I like the little one.
Oh, that's cool.
I'll use this one.
Put the base on and let's take a look at the blender, how it looks assembled.
How do I do this?
Alright, I have the base in. Go ahead and screw on a jar. There you go. Turn it clockwise. Alright, let's go ahead and put the lid on it, Anna. There we go. So that's a pretty cool looking blender. We are gonna put together a smoothie. Let's go get some fruit and we'll demonstrate how this blender works. Alright, so we have some mixed fruit here, some strawberries, peaches, and mangoes, I believe. And Lisa, go ahead and add them to the jar. We're going to make a smoothie.
Oh my.
We're using the large jar. We gave it a good rinse. Make sure it's nice and clean. And we got some non-fat milk in there, about half a cup. There we go. Alright, so just screw on the top there. Nice and tight. Lock it in place. Alright, let me move the blender back. Okay. Go ahead and give it a flip.
I'm scared. Like that. It's not gonna spill.
Okay, we have our mixed fruit in the blender jar. Let's go ahead, Annalisa, and let's see if we can make a smoothie.
Let me hold it.
Try the highest speed, just for the heck of it. There you go. Oh boy, that's powerful. Mixes it up real quick. Alright.
What is this?
That's for pulse. Go ahead and test it out anyways. Yeah.
It went to the top. That's cool.
Looks like we have our smoothie made. Now, the blender jar becomes your drinking cup. Okay, Annalisa, we're going to go ahead and remove that from the base. All right, give it a flip. All right, so we're going to unscrew the bottom base. Go ahead and set that back in the blender.
Like that?
For now? Yeah, just set it in there for now. And then you have your cup top.
That's cool.
And the whole blender becomes your drinking cup. Go ahead and take a sip of that smoothie and tell me what you think.
It's good.
All right.
Go.
Powerful blender at such a low cost. We will put a link in the description below where you can purchase this on Amazon.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.